Hola chicos, bienvenidos. Welcome back. ¿Qué tal estáis? Reading comprehension, okay? The actual paper approach. You need to go through the website salto.ai and download the reading comprehension part 1, okay? That's the theory for this approach. You need to work on that on your own. I think it's very clear. And then, once you are done, come back here and let's take on this 2017 reading comprehension paper, okay? This is the case of the keywords because that's gonna be the main focus of our work with the reading comprehension. So get your magnifying glass, let's do some detective work. Section A, as you know, is the prescribed literature in case you've chosen the book. But since 90% of you gonna go for the journalistic text, I'm gonna be realistic and jump onto it. This is el primer crucero de Estados Unidos hacia Cuba. So the first thing I want you to do is locate the keywords in the title, okay? Highlight them and get the gist of it. A scheme for the gist. Crucero, yeah, you see, is always the title linked to the picture, so you always get the gist immediately. Once you got the gist, you jumped onto the questions and you scan for the keywords there. History. How did Arnie Perez make history? Okay, historia and related. History, historia words, primer, the first one, two. So the answer is going to be around there. Even if you don't know all the words, you don't need to know all the words, you're going to work out the answer, okay? Just using the cognates. Cognates, remember, words that look the same and mean the same in English and Spanish. Pause the video, go to Let's Be, come back to me when you've done the same process on this one. How was it? Was it easy? Let's see. Scene, morning, arrival. They're gonna be the keywords. We're gonna locate them. We're gonna find them in the text. We're gonna scan the text for it. Mañana, escena, and llegada. So the answer is around there. And there we go. Miles de cubanos estaban alineados. ¿Sí? Was that your answer? Muy bien. What about this one? Do the same. Pause the video. Come back. Main points, 3 main points. Puntos. Y. It's very, very easy to realize like there's 3 points going on here, right? So you don't need to know. You don't actually need to know all the words in the text to work it out. You can use the same technique for the rest of the reading comprehension. Take on this one too. And what about this one? Can you work it out too? Día de antes, anterior, there you go. There's always something that's going to help you, even if you don't know all the words in the text. Reading comprehension, you're going to nail it, okay? Because the written piece is going to be a challenging part. So this one, please nail it for me. Go through all the rest of the paper, come back, and you've solved the case. Was it easy? I think so. Thanks for listening. Os veré en el próximo episodio en Salta Language Tutorials. Muchas gracias. Adiós.